ana toku ingoa, he uri a Ngāti Toa, Ngāti Raukoa, Te Atiawa. Mental health is a big health statistic for our people, and there's not enough of that around at the moment, but also just general health, and the cost is what impedes our whānau going to doctors often, is what it costs them. Yeah, that's kind of my main beef with the health system. And I work at WIT, so we're churning out nurses every year and enrolled nurses, and at the moment our cohort going out are afraid they're not going to have mahi. So that's a big concern with the cutbacks in Te Whatu Ora, that we have ākonga that are potentially may not get mahi at the end of their 3 years and 18 months as enrolled nurses into the system. So why is that? Why are we tuning them out when they can't get mahi? I'm pretty healthy, so I don't actually know firsthand what the waiting times are, but kind of hear from others around the hours that they sit in A&E in particular. If they're not enrolled with a doctor of their own, they're sent to A&E. A lot of our health medical centres and doctors are fully, they've got enough patients on their books and they won't take any more. So the flip side of that is our whānau just don't go and get medical help.